Alright, so here I have an analog to digital converter. So in this video, let's see what's exactly inside the ADC0809 module and how it works. So at first, what does this module does? And well, it converts the analog voltages like the sensor voltage into digital values that a microcontroller can understand. And the main IC here is the ADC0809, an 8-channel 8-bit analog to digital converter. So which means right here, this IC can read 8 different analog voltages, input 0 to input 7. It gives a 8-bit digital output, meaning the output ranges from 0 to 255 depending on the input voltage. And it needs 3 basic control signals, the ALE, address latch enable, start to begin the conversation, and EOC, end of conversation. Now let's talk about the address pins and output pins. So on the left, you can see the address pins. These select which analog channel you want to read. And at the bottom left, these 8 pins give the digital results from D0 to D7. And right here, this is the VREF. On the right side, as you can see, this sets the maximum voltage range for the conversion. So here if VREF is set to 5V, then 5V becomes the 255 in the digital form. And now let's talk about the small IC which is used to give the clock pulse for it. And yes, you guessed it right. This is the 555 timer, so the ADC needs a clock to operate. So instead of external oscillator, the 555 timer is used as a stable mode to give the clock pulse. And the resistors and capacitors are used to set the frequency. So in short, this board takes multiple analog inputs. The ADC0809 converts them into digital values and the timer is providing the clock. It's very simple but powerful module for the microcontroller projects such as the sensory interfacing and learning ADC concepts. And that's all for today. And if you like the explanation, hit the like button and subscribe for more electronics. And thank you for watching.